Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my curly hair routine. Yeah, so if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Pranali and I post videos every Monday, Friday and Wednesday. Why did I say it in the wrong order? So I post my videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and it would really mean a lot to me if you could subscribe to my channel, press that bell icon and share it with your friends, because you never know, your friends love curly hair. So yeah, let's get started. I start off on a freshly shampooed hair and I have not conditioned my hair as of yet. I will be doing it in front of the camera right now, although I will first have to wet my hair further. So I'm taking this water spray bottle and I'm going to basically wet my hair. And I don't want it to be dripping wet, but I don't want them to be damp or dry. I want them to soak up the moisture that the conditioner is going to give them. So that's what I am aiming for when I'm doing this. This is because I'm filming it, otherwise I would have stayed in the bathroom and I would have taken out all the water by scrunching it and then applied my conditioner. But this is how it is going to be in front of a camera right now. So to condition, I'm taking the Curl Hydrating Conditioner, and I'm going to take little by little. So I'm taking only this much, rubbing it in my palms, and I'm going to apply it all over my hair with praying hands method. So notice that I am coating my hair with praying hands method because that's what works well for me. I know you can see like my hair becoming straight and not curling up, but you will see the magic in just a few seconds from now. So I basically go ahead, put the conditioner, okay, on the other side as well, of course, and I properly massage the conditioner in. I put conditioner as if I am putting some hair mask on my hair, and I leave it in my hair for about 10 minutes like that. Once I am happy with the way my conditioner has settled in my hair, I am going to go and wash my hands, and now I'm going to take this water again and spray it all over my hair. Now what this water is going to do is it's going to form clumps in my hair with the conditioner helping my hair to go curly. So I go and spray more water, and once I know that my hair has become squishy wet, that's when I will go grab sections and scrunch them out. So I typically scrunch them like I scrunch the front half and the back half, and then again the front half and the back half. So I scrunch in quadrants. That this is the second quadrant that I'm scrunching, and that's how I keep on scrunching. So if you see, now the curls have started to form, and also there are clumps in my hair, like vaguely there are a lot of clumps and there is only a little curl pattern that you can see. Now I'm going to wash my hair, but I'm not going to rub my hands across each other to wash. I'm going to scrunch and wash. So I will stand below my shower and I will scrunch my hair and get the excess product and the excess water out of my hair. So this is typically how it will look. I'm so sorry that this clip is so embarrassing of me squishing and my hair in front, but this is how the reality is. Next, I take my curl defining cream from Curlup, and this too is to be applied little at a time, only this much, and I'm going to rub it across in my hand, and then I'm going to scrunch it in. I'm going to apply it with praying hands and scrunch. I'm not going to apply exactly the way I did to my conditioner. I'm basically scrunching the product in. If you can see what I'm doing, I'm scrunching the product in my hair. I'm not applying it, I'm not rubbing my hands against my hands to get the friction. I'm scrunching in the product, and there's a lot of water dripping on my floor right now, but it's worth it. Look, there are clumps started to form, and those clumps are getting curlier and curlier as we go scrunching more and more. Now my hair is 80% dry, and now is the time when I go in my scalp and massage my scalp to get the volume running. And my hair is not totally dry. Now is the time when I put leave-on on my hair, and this is going to help me control the frizz that's going to form because of the curliness and the dryness that my hair has. This is how it looks when I have applied leave-on, and it's partially curly, yes. I'm going to wait now for another hour or so to get it dried totally. So this is the final result, and my hair is dry like 100%, and this is how they look. I absolutely love this product, and yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? Just subscribe it right now and press the bell icon, share it with your friends, and that's it. Thank you. Bye.